I'm going to show you how to set up some of the artificial intelligence that's built right into Gmail, where Google will actually make suggestions for you as you type. And all you have to do as you're going along is just hit tab to accept those suggestions. So inside of Gmail, I'm going to go ahead and hit compose, and I'm going to type an email to my colleague Christy. I'm going to type the meeting as the subject, and I'm going to start typing. Is it possible for us to meet this Thursday? See how I started typing Thursday and up pop the artificial intelligence right there. If I just hit tab, I can keep going. We can meet at your office. Please see how let me know popped up. Please let me know. Thanks. Thank you popped up right there. And then I can say have a great night comes up, or I can actually say day, and then I could send the email off. And it's just saving me time with that artificial intelligence. If you don't want to use what Google has suggested, just keep typing. If you want to use it, just use that tab key to accept the suggestions that are in gray.